the heart of India, a crucial mission is underway. The Bureau of Indian Standards has taken up the responsibility to ensure that the essence of quality and safety reaches every corner of rural life. This initiative focuses on sensitizing Gram Panchayat across the nation, recognizing their pivotal role in implementing government schemes and programs. BIS, as the national standards body of India, is dedicated in formulating standards and assessing products and services for conformity. Understanding the importance of these standards in citizens' well-being, environmental sustainability and product quality, BIS has recently launched an outreach program to create awareness and foster compliance. The primary goal is clear: instill an understanding for the significance of adhering to Indian standards among Gram Panchayats. This ensures that government programs and schemes at the grassroots level align with the quality benchmarks. The initiative aims to cultivate a culture of standardization, emphasizing the benefits of using products that meet Indian standards. सरपंच जी, भारतीय मानक ब्यूरो ने भारतवर्ष के समस्त ग्राम पंचायतों के लिए एक पुस्तिका प्रकाशित की है, जिसमें गांव में कृषि, सिंचाई एवं अन्य क्षेत्रों से संबंधित भारतीय मानकों की उपयोगिता के बारे में विस्तृत जानकारी दी गई है। To reach every Gram Panchayat, BIS has dispatched detailed booklets to over 2.4 lakhs panchayats. These booklet contains list of important Indian standards relevant to various sectors such as civil works, agriculture, irrigation, water supply, sanitation and so on.
हमारा देश अब न केवल कृषि उपज में आत्मनिर्भर है, बल्कि हम विभिन्न देशों को खाद्यान्न निर्यात भी कर रहे हैं। यह तभी संभव हो पाया है जब उपलब्ध पानी का उचित उपयोग और सिंचाई को कुशल तरीके से प्रबंधित किया गया। आज जब हम एक मजबूत सिंचाई और जल आपूर्ति प्रणाली की बात करते हैं तो भारतीय मानक और गुणवत्ता सामने आती है।
Taking the initiative further, BIS has organized sensitization workshops. In collaboration with the state and district authorities, training programs for Gram Panchayat presidents and secretaries are being conducted. These workshops held at block and district levels through BIS branch offices empower officials with the knowledge and tools to implement standards effectively. More than 400 such programs have already been organized, where presidents and secretaries of more than 12,000 Gram Panchayat across the country have been trained. The initiative yields several benefits. It enhances the overall quality and safety of government programs and scheme at the village level. Compliance with standards become a shield protecting consumers from substandard or unsafe products and services. Through this program, Gram Panchayat officials gain the knowledge and tools necessary to ensure the effective implementation of standards. The initiative aligns with the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. By fostering a culture of quality and safety in all sectors, it contributes to self-reliance, ensuring that growth is built on a foundation of adherence to Indian standards.
जब से हमारे गांव में आकर भारतीय मानक ब्यूरो की टीम ने हमें ट्रेनिंग दी है, जब से हम ग्राम पंचायत के विकास कार्यों में BIS द्वारा प्रमाणित मटेरियल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जिससे हमें अच्छी क्वालिटी मिलती है।
In these programs, we also apprise participants of BIS Care app. This app empowers consumers by providing information on Indian standards, product covered under compulsory certification, verifying authenticity of certified goods, and a mechanism to lodge complaints in case of dissatisfaction. BIS earnestly calls upon the concerned departments at the state and district level to support these workshops. Strengthening the implementation of standards at the grassroots level is crucial for the development of quality infrastructure. Together, we can ensure that the effective implementation of standards in rural areas, safeguarding the interest of citizens and promoting the growth of our nation. As we all strive for progress, let's remember that the smallest steps at the grassroots level contribute to building a stronger, safer and more prosperous India.